While communicating at daylight, Telegram's dark mode may look a little uncomfortable to use. Telegram supports to turn off dark mode with a variety of styles to suit any off-day chatting style. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off dark mode on Telegram. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Telegram on your device. Tap on Hamburger menu at the top left of your screen. Tap on Settings from the panel. On the Settings page, scroll downwards and tap on Chat Settings. Under Color Theme, switch to Day mode. There you go, the simple steps will show you how to turn off dark mode on Telegram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.